Yo, what is up? Malin Malle here with a new video. Today I'm here to teach you the good and right techniques and some good exercises for the static move V-sit. So the techniques that are important to keep in mind when doing the V-sit is first of all the compression, meaning sucking your belly button in towards the spine. It's to keep your arms locked and biceps pointing forwards and stay tight to your body. And you can also lean a little bit backwards when doing the V-sit to make it easier to lift the legs. And now to some exercises for increasing the strength to do this move. You can either use the floor area or some parallel bars. In my case right now I'm using 2 boxes as the parallel bars.
So exercise number 1 is the Pike Stretch. It's pretty important to have a good flexibility in the hamstrings and the hip to hold a solid V-sit. Compress as you will do in the V-sit and lean forward. Number 2 is also a stretch, and it's like the next step of the Pike Stretch. Press yourself as close to the wall as possible while maintaining straight arms. Now to the strength exercises. Leg lifts. Place your hands as far forward as possible. Now lift your legs as high as possible without moving the upper body. Here you work on the hip and the compression. Now to knee raises. Keep your arms straight all the time. Lift your legs as high as possible and try to slightly lean backwards. This is to get your hip higher. One leg lifts. Same principle as the knee raises, except now you extend one leg at a time. Now to the last and also the hardest exercise, hanging leg lifts. The optimal is to have wall bars for this. Compress and lift your legs as high as possible. Bring them slowly down. Try to get your hip up.
Alright, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, maybe comment something, and I'll see you next time.